Hello guys! Happy New Year! Happy New Year, Francine! It's already here around 9 p.m. at si Francine hindi natulog. Naiingayan siguro siya. Happy New Year! 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 Say Happy New Year! Happy New Year! It's already around 9 p.m. here. We're waiting for the food. Happy New Year, Frank!
Happy New Year!
See, we have a crown. Frank is still cooking. Here. The food's still not done there. Yeah, yummy. Yeah. Still making tortellini there. Gagawa pa siya ng tortellini. Anang kids nasa labas. Nag-fireworks. Fireworks. Sparkling. Sparkle. Nag-sparkle. Inga. Can you volume? Because it's too... Well, yeah. Hala! Andun yung pa-Happy New Year ko, guys. Mapalihi, palihi ko. Wait. May palihi ako dito, palihi. Dito yung palihi. Katulgo naman akong anak ko eh. May palihi ako. 13 fruits. Cake ko na nasa iyo. Sleepy na. Sleepy na. Sleepy? Are you sleepy? Sleeping! Happy, happy, happy New Year! Happy Year of the Pig! Papatulugin ko muna to siya, guys. Papatulugin ko muna si Francine dahil parang hindi na to. Kanina pa to gising. Hindi makatulog. So, bye-bye! Happy New Year! Hello! Happy New Year! Hello?
Happy New Year! Happy New Year!
We're going to have our dinner. Waiting for the... Food is here. Francine is already sleeping. Frank is there. Happy New Year. It's not yet 12. Yeah. They are now tired. Mude? Nicht jetzt, na? Okay.
Vanessa
Eating
has
time.
already glossy eyes.
Yeah. Where's your crown and the queen?
What a yeah.
There he is.
Oh, sorry, bumped into you.
Happy. Cheers. Look into my eyes. Happy New Year, dear.
Prost. Do I see you?
Like it, eh? That drinker.
But the real beer.
You take a selfie? Hi guys. Ay, 30 minutes na lang at magto 12 midnight na. Ang tahimik dito kasi nasa baba sila lahat, guys. Si Frank at ang dalawang si Vanessa at si Ella nasa baba para ng fireworks. Tapos ako lang dito kasi kung bababa ako, si Francine lang mag-isa. So, dito lang ako. So, mag-chika-chika na lang tayo, guys. New Year dito sa ibang bansa, guys. Kaya iba talaga sa Pilipinas. Nakakalungkot. Hindi nakakalungkot. Kasi ikadalawang Pasko at New Year ko na to na wala sa Pilipinas. At saka maano mo talaga na iba talaga ang Pasko at saka ang New Year sa ibang bansa. Ganito lang, simple, hindi pareha sa Pilipinas, may pa-karaoke, may pa-disco. Yun, ganito lang. Pero, yun minyo pag foreigner. Minyo pag foreigner, so, wala na. Anong winter? Malayo sa pamilya. Lungkot-lungkot. So, ako lang dito, yung nag-ano ako ng blanket. Si Francine natutulog. Naantay lang namin mag-12, guys, para pa-New Year, guys, papalihi. So, Happy New Year, guys! So, just in case na hindi ko to matapos ng vlog. So, thank you all, guys, for watching, and I hope to see you on my next video. Sana yung hindi pa nakapag-subscribe, mag-subscribe na kayo. And Happy New Year, everybody! Welcome 2019! Happy New Year! Bye-bye! Good that you can see yourself even. Hi! The lights.
You don't see anything outside now. Look at that. Imagine you have the window open,
yeah,
and you're not here. You're not at home. That
Good job, they are Russian neighbors.